Today we're looking at a 2011 Honda Pilot EXL. It's got 186,000 miles on it. It's alabaster silver metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. Alright, make our way down through here. It is equipped with a sunroof. It does have the roof rails up there on top as well. Alright, it does have rear backup camera. Alright, it is a four-wheel drive. Got your tow hitch right here. Okay. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in good shape on the exterior of this Pilot. It's got 186,000 miles on it. It's a 2011. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels. Just a small little wrinkle right here in the door panel. All right, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, it does have the nice thick rubber floor mats. It has black leather seating. Power driver's seat, and the driver's seat's in really good shape, no problems there. Right, the center console here, a little wrinkle right here as well. Okay, but if you open this up, get your power outlet, auxiliary, and USB port in there. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, and when you open this up here, got you some storage in there with the cup holders. Passenger seat leather looks good. No problems there. It is equipped with a sunroof. And open that up for you. Alright. Heated seats, dual climate controls. It's got a 6-disc CD changer. Alright. And your AM/FM display will be right there. It is a four-wheel drive. Okay. It's third row seats in here. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 186,046 miles on it. Alright, go ahead and show you your display screen up here with the radio like I mentioned earlier. Okay, 6-disc changer, heated seats. It does have rear backup camera. Alright, but it'll be in the rear view mirror here. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems with the air conditioning. It does have a nice convenient power outlet right there. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Does have the second row nice thick rubber floor mat back here as well. Second row leather is in good shape. Does have the convenient power outlet here. It's got rear heat, rear air. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, and actually let me walk around here and open up the back hatch and the back seat door. Let a little bit more light in just so you can see everything clearly. Alright, now I'll run through these seats one more time for you, but as you can see, second row leather is in good shape. Alright, center console comes down, got the cup holders there. Alright, go ahead and give you a shot of the third row. And the third row also has the thick rubber floor mat down here as well. Alright, but the third row leather's in fantastic shape, no problems there. Back here looks good. Got the original factory floor mats here. Go ahead and take those out for a second. Carpet back here looks good. Got you some storage space right there. Convenient power outlet here. Alright, but you can see when the third row's up, it kind of cuts into the space a little bit back here. Simply just pull the handle here. That comes down. That goes down, and you can see how much it opens it up back here now, right? Alright. And then to get the seats back up, you simply just pull the handles back up. Seats are nice and light, but also very durable. I'll put the factory floor mats back in there. Give you a shot of the back seat or the second row from here. But as you can see, everything's in great shape. For 186,000 miles, this thing's in good shape. Passenger seat. Leather looks good. And one thing I want to point out to you that I just saw right here on the passenger side, just a little bit of rub right here in the paint, okay? Just want to point that out to you. A couple little paint chips right here as well. All right, just want to point that out to you. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 17-inch alloys. All right, tires are in great shape. That's a brand new set of tires there. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, we got a 2011 Honda Pilot EXL, 186,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape. It's got a little scuff on the passenger side, but 2011 with that many miles, that's to be expected. All right, it will be fairly priced. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.